Hello friends, welcome to Thaplyal Foods. I'm your chef Karan and today I'm making oats protein bar which is full of nutrients like protein, vitamins, healthy fats and fiber. So let's start the recipe. Ingredients which I'm using are oats 120 gram, cranberry around 50 grams, melon seed around 50 grams, almond 50 gram, raisin 30 gram, homemade peanut butter around 4 tablespoons, jaggery 70 gram, or you can increase or decrease jaggery according to your taste, poppy seed 1 tablespoon, cinnamon seeds 1 tablespoon, pumpkin seed 40 gram and flax seed 20 gram. First we heat up the pan in a medium flame and put oats into it. Dry roast the oat until the oats changes the color. Oats contains high amount of dietary fiber which helps in lowering the blood cholesterol and helps in the weight management. So now you can see the color of the oats is changed, so it is the perfect indication you are going in the right track. Oats are done. Now it is the time to transfer the oats into a bowl. Now in the same pan I am putting melon seed, almond, pumpkin seed and flax seed and using the same procedure as I done with the oats. These seeds contain high amount of antioxidant and protein and excellent source of folic acid, calcium, magnesium and zinc. If you are adding these seeds in your meal, so there is no need of taking multivitamin tablet which are highly available in the market. So eat these seeds which fulfill your vitamin level in your body. Roasting is done. Now I am transferring this seed into the plate. Now I am taking a fresh pan and adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 70 gram of jaggery. So we have to make the syrup out of it, which can help in binding all the ingredients together easily. Jaggery is the best option in comparison to the refined sugar because refined sugar contains harmful chemicals, but jaggery contains high fiber. Now you can see the syrup is ready, so I am transferring it in the bowl. Now it's time to mix all the ingredients together. So first I'm gonna put all the roasted seeds into the mixing bowl. It gives crunchiness to the bar. Now I am adding cranberries. Cranberries are also known as the powerhouse of the antioxidant and contains micronutrients like vitamins. And then adding raisins, or you can say kismis. The next ingredient is cinnamon powder, which is loaded with antioxidant and have anti-inflammatory properties. This is poppy seed, which is high in nutrients and contain high amount of protein, so I am adding in it. So the next ingredient is peanut butter. It is homemade peanut butter made by myself and it is high in good fat, protein and other nutrients. So I'm using 4 tablespoons of peanut butter. It binds all the ingredients together and gives the nutty flavor to the bar. I'm using our last ingredient, jaggery syrup, which is help in binding all the ingredients together and solidified in the room temperature. Now gently mix all the ingredients together. Mixing is done. Now it's time to grease the plate. Here I am using rectangular plate and I am greasing with the ghee, so it prevents sticking of the ingredient in the plate. Now it's time to transfer the mixture into the plate. One by one you can see. Using back of the spoon, it just need to flatten. After the flattening, this need to be set before you cut this, so you need to give this aside for around 3 hours and it will be ready for cutting. Now let's cut this block into the rectangular shape, or you can also cut into the square shape. There is no problem. Hey guys, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for further updates. Hey guys, you can see the cutting is almost done and these bars are looking awesome. So you can make it for your kids and eat as a snack. It is very healthy. If you like this video, do share and comment, and thanks for watching.